Do you want to enable or disable grid lines on your iPhone camera? Grid lines can help you compose better photos using the rule of thirds, but they can also be distracting if you don't need them. This guide will show you how to easily toggle grid lines on or off. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Camera Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Camera. Step 2. Find the Grid option. In the Camera Settings menu, look for the Grid option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Step 3. Enable or disable grid lines. To enable grid lines, toggle the switch to the on position. To disable grid lines, toggle the switch to the off position. Easy, right? So guys, that's it. That's how you enable or disable grid lines on iPhone camera. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below.